What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy, Classy Fox, coming at you with some more Dead Space. I don't remember where we left off, so we're gonna just kind of jump into things and see where we're at. This way? Okay. Weezer 1. Okay, what am I doing here? Okay, that's cool. I'll buy one of those. And then maybe one of those. Probably should just buy ammo, or med kits. But I ain't doing that. No, sir. Yeah. Okay. Alright. I hope you guys are having a good afternoon. Like, yeah. It's been a while since I've been... What the... fuck is making that noise? Genuinely have no idea. Okay. Alright, I don't think it matters what angle I go at. Oh, down. There we go. First floor? I didn't realize there was a third floor either. Alright. This way.
Toxic hazard detected.
Boop boop.
Toxic hazard cleared.
That sounds bad. Don't fucking spit shit at me, dog. Oh, shit for brains. Oh, I didn't... Found out what button does that. Nice. Health pack. How are you still alive? Who's alive here? Okay. Third floor. I've got my stick. I'm not afraid to use it. Just plop that down on the ground real quick. Okay, I feel like one's gonna pop out of that. Ooh. Are you speaking French? Genuinely, I don't know. Got my stick again.
Toxic hazard detected. Toxic hazard cleared.
Probably the easiest ones to deal with. Question is... Oh, that's a big med pack. Man, my nose is just so bad. Oh, yeah, that's better. Much better. Whoops. Just kidding. I feel like I already killed that one, though. I went a little off script last time. Oh, hey, we're back at the shop space. Got an itchy titty again. Alright, how much ammo do I have for this? 6 fucking rounds. Sell that. I'm gonna send that to storage. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm gonna just mostly spend this on ammo. There we go. I think I lose ammo, or I lose rounds. Oh, this is the one I never... Wait, was there a save point? Was there a save point? No, there was no save point here. Just a shop. Ugh. That's an explosive egg sack. Or something. Right? There we go. I'm gonna keep this with me. It's useful. There we go. Save point. Yeah, I'm absolutely nowhere near the end of this, I think. Oh, hello. Node thingy. Just a water cache. Cache. There we go. We'll go outside.
Zero gravity.
Excuse me. Suckers. This place is cool. I feel like there might be something good still hanging around. I'm missing, maybe. Can I, like, land on the platform? No. That's fine. Oh, that's a lot of spikes. I forgot I had the flamethrower. I'm gonna be straight honest with you. I'm very confused. Someone made a sound. Oh, I didn't mean to send that away. Where's the other one? I see you. Hmm.
Toxic hazard detected.
Is that one dead? I have no idea.
Toxic hazard cleared.
Very concerned for that. That thing actually kind of kicked ass. Okay. I'm pushing F on that so that I can heal. There's so much lens flare coming off of that. You are a hideous creature. Bye.
Entering zero gravity.
Yo. Oh, you're dead. Just the ambiance freaks me out a little bit. Ah. Where are you? Where did you go? There we go. Come on, come on, come on. Right in your face, bitch. Wait, where am I going? See to land. I didn't think I could land. It's good to know, I guess. There we are. Oof.
Exiting zero gravity.
Okay, cool. Let's save real quick, and then we're gonna be on our way again. Just killed yourself, bro. Thank you. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, dude. Do I have anything to sell? No. I'm also running low on ammo again. Of course. I can buy 2 storage. I've got that. That doesn't really exactly help me at the moment. No, does it? Just buy 1. And we can do that real quick. Inject Weezer number 6. Okay, Weezer. I did some of this a little backwards, I think, in the last episode. Yeah. need to go down. Okay. I think this one has... Yeah, it's got both a shop and a save point. Just in the event of me dying, I can come back here real quick. This way. Power cell. I need to use an deck system access key. Where do I get that from?
Toxic hazard detected.
Oh, okay. Let's put that into the suit, actually. Maybe not. Rate of fire, don't really need that. That would actually be really good, but... Just do that, and then... Force gun, maybe? Reload, and then damage. I don't know. There's nothing I can really do outside of that.
Toxic hazard cleared.
I know what I can do. Maybe. I don't know. I don't remember how far back that is, I'm gonna be honest with you. Is that something I already have? I don't know. I didn't think so. I need a power source is what I need. So I need a power source. So I think I need to go back. There's the doors. I don't know if I take the... I think it's this way. Oh, you just take too long to open. Why are you screaming the way you're screaming? If I take the power source from here, will it leave that door open? Floor 2? Oh, it won't let me go to floor 2. Oh, I need to go to floor 1? Because I'm on floor 2. Oh, no, I needed to be on floor 2. I wasn't paying attention to the doors. It's literally right over there. Oh, this one doesn't have it. Weird. Where do I get a power conductor thingy? Hmm. I need a power. Am I being silly? Sounds locked. I feel like I'm being silly. What was that? Squeosh. You can hear breathing. Is it hanging up somewhere? Am I just missing it or something? Sure did miss that. Kinda now want to go to the shop. I need the power thingy. It's just a pipe. Oh, that'll be useful. Where the heck? Okay. That's the shop. Guess I can go here anyways. Sell that. I don't think I need to be in here. Not yet, anyways. Ah, shit. Ah, I'm dead. Maybe. Yep, I'm dead. Yeah. Good thing I saved, I think. I don't remember. I don't remember if I did or not. Hmm. Okay. Pretty sure I didn't save. Okay, that doesn't... These... I don't know how often I'm going to use those. But... I could have bought a few more, thingy-majiggies. Yeah, I'm not using that for that. I'm gonna probably just swap over to this. Okay. Alright. There we go. Eat shit, bitch. Let go of me. So I no one likes you. Not even your mama.
Just a repair mission, they said. Not this. Not seeing my dead brother on the fucking camera. All this death. Imagine what the marker could do in the wrong hands.
This is about CEC again.
Just thinking. If some corporate asshole tries to take the marker, you and me could do something about it.
You're leaning pretty hard on that if.
Oh, come on. Where's Hammond? What's he doing?
I don't know. If I don't focus, we'll run out of air before it matters.
I know I'm supposed to go back the other way. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. Hold on. I'll be right back. You know who's an idiot? Me. It was right in the same goddamn room. Like, legitimately. I'm pretty sure I even looked at it at one point. And that's the downside of, like, being not very observant sometimes. I better not have to fight another one of those damn things. I don't remember why I'm doing this. Oh, you know what? I think I know why. Yeah. Buy 2 of those because I am just dying. Because the small ones do not do enough. I guess Alright. Why are the lights taking forever to get back on? That doesn't make any sense. So I could have sworn I saw something hanging up on top. I could be wrong, though. Alright. Meat bags. It's literally in like a containment thing, like a little terrarium space. And I overlooked it. Where is that terrarium? There it is. See? Right there. Makes me feel like a dingus. Because it was literally so close. What the fuck? Pop. Oh, nope. I fucked up. That was my bad. I removed you of your flesh. Okay. Can I use it, please? It's the only one I have. Please, use the damn key. Come on. Oh, there we go. Silly. There we go.
Zero gravity.
I cannot see you. I cannot see you. Bye. I don't know where you went. I'm out of health kits. I really need a win here. There we go. Where was that other one at? Where did it go? Alright, I'm all sorts of turned around. Alright, ugh. I don't even see the monsters half the time. Where are you? Where the fuck are you? I cannot see you. Okay, you little shitbags. I saw you jump, I think. Where are you? Oh my god. Rotate me already, Jesus Christ. I just need to be able to see. For just a minute. For just a minute, please. see you now. Are you Weezer 6 or are you just a Weezer? Oh, you are not Weezer 6. You are just Weezer. Fun.
I need to record their names. Hidaka, Holly, Andanov, Park. So many.
Park?
I don't know how much gas they took in. I just saw them change. That crack when their lungs burst out like flowers. Jacob. I love you. And I'm so scared because I know how to kill the Leviathan. So I have to stay. Until it's paid for every single one of them.
Why did I have to take this up here? Inject WHEEZERS 7. Okay. Now we're on the move.
Exiting zero gravity.
Let's see, what do we got? What do we got? How much money do we got? 2,000? I can buy one med kit, I think. No, yep, I can buy one med kit, or I can buy ammo. We're going med kit. That sucks. Whatever. Alright. I just couldn't see that last one, you know? Gross. Also love how it looks. At the same time, I hate it. Alright. You're putting way too many thingy-majiggies on me here. Alright.
Entering zero gravity.
You shitbag. Alright, I guess we'll... We gotta go that way, but I want to go this way first. Oh, I can't even do anything in here, so... I don't even know what the point of being in here is. Okie doke. Credits. I think that's just a window. I've got to place stasis on that so that I can move through. Okay. All right. That insta kills him. That's good. Oi! I thought you insta-died. You must be up top then. Schematics for something? That's cool. I keep trying to rotate my head to, like, accommodate for the, like, you know what I mean? Yeah, you understand. Oh shit, this is not gonna work. Gotta get out of there quick. Ow! Oh, you little baby bitch. Alright. Oh, nice. That was unintentional and cool at the same time. Alright. Get going, get going. Can't see anything past the bloom. Alright. See if there's anything else in here. No, besides a light. That might just be a wrench. Alright.
Exiting zero gravity.
Okay.
Entering zero gravity.
Oh. What did I just turn off? I genuinely don't know.
Exiting zero gravity. Warning. Thermodynamic purifiers malfunctioning.
Oh.
Stand clear of filtration tubes.
Okay. That's a cool tube thing. I'm gonna have to go down there, aren't I? Okie doke. All right. Here goes nothing.
Warning. Thermodynamic purifiers malfunctioning. Stand clear of filtration tubes.
Oh shit, I can't. There we go. All right. That one is open. Which means that one's gonna go. Once this one's done, I'm gonna run across. All right.
Warning. Thermodynamic purifiers malfunctioning. Stand clear of filtration tubes.
What part of this is malfunctioning? I wanted to see if there's anything in those. I don't think there is. Okay.
Warning.
Boo.
Thermodynamic purifiers malfunctioning. Stand clear
Okay.
of filtration tubes.
I get it. I understand. Does it look like I give a shit? No. I want to go... What's in this area? That's a hallway. Let's see. That hallway goes to a direction I don't know yet. I can open this.
Thermodynamic purifiers malfunctioning. Stand clear of filtration tubes.
Alright. Text log. I'm not gonna bother with reading it. It's openable now, which is good. I like that can be opened. Kinda lost out on one of the dudes. That's okay. Alright. I don't remember what my goal is. You would think we'd already have a map of the area.
Thermodynamic purifiers malfunctioning. Stand clear of toxic hazard detected.
Alright, Farty McGee. Let's get you taken care of.
Toxic hazard clear.
It's a nice flare you got here. Mind if I keep it? There we go. Inject Wheezer 8. How many Wheezers are there?
Warning. Thermodynamic purifiers malfunctioning. Stand clear of filtration tubes.
I'm not even in the filtration tubes. This is gonna be a cursed elevator, isn't it? Damn. You are.
Isaac, please, I need you. Help me.
Toxic hazard detected.
Is this the other side of that room?
Toxic hazard clear.
The Leviathan's metabolism is slowing.
Cross. Something's up.
It must have worked. You gave it enough enzyme to dissolve a freighter. Okay, I'm unlocking food storage. Quickly get back there and space the bastard while we have the chance.
Zero gravity.
Okay, I'm gonna just quickly run for this. Where am I going? Bar. Because I have a feeling this thing's gonna fucking...
Exiting zero gravity.
Access food storage. Alright. Yeah, yo. Get off me. I don't like the babies. They freak me out. Is there another weird little bird thing alive? Better fucking not be. I need to get to a save point. Pretty sure there's one close enough by. Got my magnetized spear, baby. Yep. Okay. Jesus. Oh, this is the acid spraying room. Alright. Does this one spray? I don't think this one sprays. Okay. I could have probably ran through this, but... Oh, Jesus. Boink. Come on. Give me a save point. Or something to spear with this thing. Alright, guys. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and we will see you in the next one. But as always, feel free to leave a comment and subscribe. Classy out. Bye.